Looks like we're ready for Easter morning. I'll take all of these for breakfast. Registered dietitian Michelle Jaelin joins us with creative ideas for Easter brunch, actually. So, yeah, it's like, okay, so this is when you can fill your plate with a lot of chocolate.
That's right.
I'm going to do that.
Okay, yeah, and go for it. So
it's not every day.
No, not every day. That's right. So, Easter is a really good time. Families get together and whatnot. And what I like to do here is have a kind of like a make your own theme right here. So starting off right here, we have a make your own juice bar right here.
Okay.
And what you have is you have different juices, and then you would add some club soda, top it off, and then add it with a little garnish. And it's great for kids because kids love making your own stuff, and it's also easier on you as the host because it's less work for you to do.
Well, right. So when guests are arriving, you just kind of direct them, if you set up a little station or something, right? You direct them that, hey, make whatever you like and get settled in. That's a great idea.
Yeah, that's right. So then to go with our make your own juice station, we have a make your own oatmeal station because I kind of wanted to make it healthy-ish. So make your own oatmeal station. And so what I would do is use slow cooking or steel cut oats. It's better than the instant stuff, which is great for like a busy morning. But on the weekend and on Easter, you want to have something that's a little bit more slow cooking. Slow cooking oatmeal is also better for your blood sugar.
Yes, yeah, because it levels everything off, right? Instead of spiking up and then coming down.
Absolutely, and that's because it's slow cooking.
Yes.
So we're going to top off our little oatmeal here. We have a bowl right here. So I'm going to add some Greek yogurt because I want some protein. And then maybe...
And when you do your slow cook oatmeal, do you do it in a slow cooker or do you just kind of do it the night before and soak it in milk or water?
Ooh, okay. So there's different ways you can do it, and maybe Annette, maybe you can add chia seeds for me.
Okay.
So what I like to do is I usually make it in a pot in the morning of. If it's on an Easter Sunday, then you have that extra time, which is really nice. But you can also pre-cook them the night before. That's great too, and just put it in the fridge.
That's what I do in the morning, actually.
Yeah, so it's like a grab-and-go quick healthy breakfast.
Yes.
Yes. So I always love to have fruit on the table too because you never know who's going to reach for fruit, and it's always nice to have. You can put your fruit in your oatmeal too. So, and also I like to have some protein in the form of eggs. And what's Easter without eggs, right? So I've got eggs here.
So do you hard boil them then? Is that what you've done?
Yes, and if you're feeling, a little bit more ambitious, you can decorate them for Easter, right? So here they're just white, but you can decorate them as well. And then normally here I have here smoked salmon and cucumber, which is a little bit different. And normally you would have it with like, your bagel and, toast or whatever and cream cheese. I want to keep it a little bit healthier, so I have the oatmeal on the side. But if you want to serve like bagels, you can have whole grain bagels or whole grain bread on the side to go with your salmon and your cucumber, extra protein and veggies on the side.
Okay, or else you could just kind of have it on your own, right?
Yeah.
If you roll up the smoked salmon, that's kind of a nice little appetizer
too.
yeah,
no, it's really delicious.
Yes.
So another thing too is chocolate. What is Easter without chocolate, right?
And I like that these bunnies are tiny, so you still get that beautiful taste of chocolate, but you're not feeling like you've got to finish the whole rabbit.
That's right. So here, notice how they're all small, right? Got the little bunnies, little eggs.
Even these little eggs, they're so beautiful. Are they painted?
Yes, they are painted, and they're edible.
And it's chocolate.
Yes. So we're picking quality over quantity here. So not like that big Easter bunny like you were saying. So we also have these beautiful chocolate truffles right here, and they're nice and small as well. And all of these are handmade chocolates. They're all high quality. They're all from Cacao Chocolate Company, which is a local chocolate shop right here in Hamilton.
Okay, great.
And you know what, too? I love having, it's Easter, you can have a little bit of chocolate right here. And a lot of times when people talk about the health benefits of chocolate, right? So a lot of times the health benefits actually comes from the cocoa right here. And this is a cocoa pod.
Okay.
These are the cocoa beans, which is actually what is in chocolate that gives it those antioxidants and the magnesium and copper and phosphorus, those nutrients. When people say that chocolate is healthier, it comes from the cocoa beans in the cocoa pod.
Right, and it's the darker chocolate that's healthier, right? So not necessarily a chocolate bar, which could be, lighter chocolate full of sugar and all that kind of stuff, but the dark chocolate like you have in your hand.
Yeah, that's right too. And you know what? I'm going to have a little bit of dark chocolate on my oatmeal right here. Just put some chocolate shavings right there. Shave it on there like that too. And chocolate oatmeal is actually very popular right now too. I got a lot of recipes actually linked on my website if you want to check out some chocolate oatmeal.
Oh, I like that.
It's like healthy-ish, not too crazy healthy, but you know what? We got to have a bit of fun, right? And you know what, too? If you do like milk chocolate, my thing is just pick a high-quality milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Don't go for like the crappy stuff. Go for the good stuff.
If you're going to go for chocolate, go for the good stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we are all set for Easter. Okay. Thanks very much, Michelle.
Thank you for having me.
Okay. So how hard is it to